and hello again from Fort Lauderdale Airport. We're going to take a look at Hertz here. Just a quick reminder to everybody, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and give it a quick like if you like what you're watching here. Looks like the boards are out, but let's take a look here. We got premium upgrades in front of us here. We got gold, compact, and some of the reserve stalls to the right. We got President Circle and 5-star, President Circle straight ahead, 5-star to the right. So if we start with the some of the premium upgrades in the Ultimate Series, we've got one of these Chevy SS Hendrix Camaros. I'm always curious what the mileage is. The mileage seems to be about 20,000-30,000 on these. Yeah, this one's locked, so we can't check. I guess the big news is it looks like Fort Lauderdale got a whole bunch of Tesla Model 3s, so there's 4 of them on this side here in the Ultimate Series. And we got another 4 more on this side. And I'm sure, I have a feeling there's probably more scattered out. There's probably more out on rentals. I don't know if these are, actually the window's open in this one. In, but I'm not, to be honest with you, I've never driven a Model 3, so I don't know where the mileage is. But here's the screen. If anybody knows, maybe they can mention in the comments, and next time I see one of these, I'll try and get them, look at the mileage. These are all looking brand new though. Yeah, it almost looks like these haven't been driven yet. That's the big news for Hertz. Let's take a look at President Circle. We got a, why is that? Nissan Rogue. Yeah, Nissan Rogue Sport. And we got another SUV here. Somebody's leaving in this Hyundai Tucson. Again, this is President Circle. Take a look at President Circle on the other side here. Got Nissan, Nissan Maxima. And we got a Mazda compact SUV, a CX-30. A Subaru wagon. Looks like somebody's taking this Nissan Altima, RAV4. The Subaru, not sure if that's a Forester. Looks like another Nissan Rogue, one of those Sportbacks, Toyota Camry, looks like another Altima. Got 2 of them here. Oh, actually 3 of them. Alright, and I think that's going to be the end of President Circle. There's 2 more rows of President Circle here, but there's like 1 car in it. Yeah, it's parked in President Circle, but it's locked. Probably parked here by mistake, but a pretty nice looking 430i. 2-door. And we got some of the premium upgrades here. We got a Suburban. Looks like 5 Series BMW. Infiniti, one of the smaller SUVs. Infiniti QX50. Traverse RS, Chevrolet. And we got a couple Genesis just kind of parked. There's one parked here, actually there's 3 of them. There's another parked over here, and another parked over. These are these G70s. Okay, and we're at the 5-star aisle. The 5-star aisle is completely empty. I guess it just goes down here all the way down the other side. So we're going to take a look at gold since 5-star is empty. We've got a compact Ford SUV, little Chevy Trax maybe, Ford Escape. Looks like another of these Nissan Rogue Sports. Buick, maybe I want to say a Verano, but what is this? Oh, sorry, an Encore. Yeah, Buick Encore. Nissan Kicks. Got a Kia. Nissan Rogue. Got a Kia. Forte. And this one looks like it's from a dealer. And we got a Dodge. Don't see those very often anymore. Another Nissan Rogue, Hyundai, and a Chevy Malibu. These are all gold. And here you can see 5 stars completely empty. And we'll head over here. I'm not sure if this is still gold or if we're starting to get into the reserve section here. Nope, this still is gold, so we'll do a quick walk down here. We got a Corolla, got a Ford, another of these Buick. Hyundai. I don't see Toyotas very often. Looks like a Toyota Civic. Or sorry, Honda Civic. This one's marked to be towed. Something wrong with that. Got a Mazda compact SUV, Chevy Malibu. Another Kia here. Ford. A couple Fords. VW. VW's running, nobody's in it. Keys are in it. Another Nissan, Kia Soul. We've got a Nissan, a couple more Nissans, and a Chevy SUV. And that wraps up gold. And we can do a quick walk through. These are all reserve. A bunch of large SUVs here. And we got a Chrysler 300, Toyota 4Runner. Looks like an Infiniti coming up here. An older Nissan Rogue. Or sorry, Murano. That actually looks like a Murano. Another Infiniti SUV. That looks like maybe an older Pathfinder. GMC. What does this say on the side here? High Country. BMW. Kia. Again, these are all reserve. Mustang convertible, Tacoma, large Infiniti SUV at the end, and if we just go around here, a couple more Infinitis, another one rolling in down here, and we'll just do a walkthrough. I think this is maybe the last row of reserve. There's another one on my left, but it's mostly the same, just a bunch of SUVs. Okay, here he goes. Actually, somebody on the channel asked about minivans. And this is a Toyota minivan. I think this is the first one I've seen. Is this a Sienna? Yeah. Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid minivan. Okay, let's take a look. This might be new. Keys are in it. It's got 8,000 miles on it. Looks pretty nice. Oh, it's got a sunroof. Yeah, so there you go. How do I open this here? Well, I guess it opens on its own. Looks like lots of room. Yeah. Might be a nice option if... Okay, you just push the button and it closes. Very nice. Might be a nice option if somebody's looking for a minivan. Nissan SUV, Ford, looks like Ford Excursion, the big one, Kia, GMC Yukon, Ford Explorer, looks a little bit newer. And we got BMW, of course a minivan, a couple more Nissans, Infinitis, and we got a couple 300s here. That other one had the white interior, these have just the regular black interior. And we got an older Dodge Caravan GT. A lot of these were GT models. And I think that's going to wrap up reserve for us. Let's kind of show you. There's a couple more on the right here, but nothing too exciting other than that older Tahoe.